A welding ground clamp is a crucial component in any welding setup, designed to establish a stable and secure electrical connection between the workpiece and the welding machine. This essential tool ensures proper grounding, allowing the electric current to flow efficiently and consistently, which is critical for producing high-quality welds. Constructed from highly conductive materials such as copper or brass, welding ground clamps minimize electrical resistance and prevent overheating, ensuring a steady arc and reducing the risk of pore fusion or spatter. Many high-performance clamps feature a strong, spring-loaded or screw-tightened grip, ensuring firm contact with metal surfaces, even in rugged environments. Additionally, modern welding ground clamps come with insulated handles for safety and ergonomic ease, allowing welders to attach and remove them effortlessly. Whether used in MIG, TIG, or stick welding, a high-quality ground clamp plays a pivotal role in achieving clean, precise welds by providing a reliable path for current flow, preventing voltage fluctuations and arc instability. When selecting a welding ground clamp, welders must consider several factors, including amperage rating, material quality, and clamping force. Heavy-duty clamps are designed for industrial and high-amperage applications, often featuring reinforced jaws and corrosion-resistant coatings to withstand harsh working conditions. Some advanced models also incorporate braided copper shunts, further enhancing conductivity and durability. The contact area of the clamp is another critical aspect. Larger surface areas improve current transfer, reducing resistance and heat buildup, which helps extend the lifespan of both the clamp and the welding equipment. Additionally, proper maintenance is essential to ensure optimal performance. Regular cleaning of the contact points prevents oxidation and contamination that could lead to poor electrical connections. Investing in a premium quality welding ground clamp not only enhances welding efficiency, but also improves overall safety by minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. Whether working in a fabrication shop, construction site, or DIY home workshop, a well-built ground clamp is a fundamental tool that guarantees consistency, stability, and superior welding results.